Put up to Carlos' house. Got Christian with me. Got Carlos.
You already know from previous videos, Carlos gonna do all the work.
Alright guys, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We bought something for the G35 today, and it's something that I've been wanting to get for like a long time, so I'm about to show you what I got. And bought a Jdm stereo. Really cheap, by the way, guys. The only thing that doesn't have is the little vents, which I'm gonna use my OEM ones, and I'm gonna paint this one. I'm about to paint right here. But yeah guys, we're about to do this because I'm freaking tired of this damn stereo. So for every G35 owner, by the way, excuse this, I was leaning on it and it just ripped. Like, I don't know what happened. I ordered this part from Japan and now my whole interior is gonna be black. The only thing that I'm not gonna put it on right now because I have my switches right there and I don't want to cut this one up. So for the people that know, like, G35 is meant to, like, I don't know, like the stereo, the signal goes off and like you hear no music or nothing at all. So kind of excited that we're gonna finally switch it up and replace it because I'm freaking tired of it. I've been on multiple dates and my radio goes off and it's just awkward. I copped this for $250 and it came with a Bose double din, so pretty cool. So this should be pretty simple. If you don't know how to take this off, you gotta remove this whole thing, and you gotta take off. You're gonna have to take this off, which is gonna be a pain in the butt because of my lines. And you gotta remove that one, which is really hard. And shout out to Carlos for giving me that one. Yes, dude, I hate it.
A few moments later.
We took everything off, and I know it looks so complicated. The reason it looks so messy is because I have so many lines in my bags, but all that's gonna be changed once my my airlift kit gets here. Alright, so I'm sorry that I couldn't show you the process, but it's literally just color to color. I had to go and buy a harness because I was missing a harness, but yeah, it's pretty much done. I'll put everything back together and I'll show you tomorrow how the finished product looks. I'm gonna have to get a new one because this is really old. I'm gonna have to get something with like Apple CarPlay or something. Pulling up to Best Buy with Christian. So we came to Best Buy and I'm trying to get me another stereo because the other one is it's super old, bro. Like, I hate it. I don't even want to use it.
Day 3?
Oh, it's actually day 3, guys. Actually day 3. I was busy and I couldn't continue the vlog, so we came to Best Buy and tried to get another stereo. I'm trying to get like Apple CarPlay. That was nice. I like the matte.
Yeah.
Apple CarPlay. Okay. We're gonna be checking them out and I'll let you know which one I picked. The hard decision. They're pretty good. I just want one with Apple CarPlay. That's all I want. This is the only reason I'm getting another stereo, well, double din, because I really wanna freaking Apple CarPlay. So after thinking about it, I think we're gonna go with the Sony, which is $299. The only reason I'm going with this one, I'm gonna get copyrighted. So the only reason I'm going with the Sony one was because it's so simple, like
Simple and clean.
yeah, like let's see how to mess with this. Like, it's simple, like it's nice, and I'm not a big fan of like, how can I mess it? I don't even know how to mess with it. Like all these lights and all that colorful stuff. Like it's just extra. So just a little update. What we're doing is literally putting a color with color. So the stereo came with a wire harness, and then you're supposed to buy I think it's the Metro wire harness. I don't have a Metro, I have the JDM one, but I guess apparently people use the Metro wire harness. That's the one that I use. I bought it from some store. Once we're finished with all that, which is the same thing that we did with the other stereo, and everything worked, you know. It's just that it was really old, as you can see on the last clip, and I had to get a new one, especially with Apple CarPlay. So we just connected everything. Let me just show you a little bit. Like I said, everything's connected to the same color. We literally connected everything except for like this blue one, which we don't know what it is. This black one, which I don't know what it is, but oh well. Oh, baby. Just put a little jam real quick. Some of Esteban Gabriel, you know, Alright, now we're gonna put everything back together. And I need to mess with these gauges because it's driving me crazy right now. I don't know what to do. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay guys, so before I end the vlog, I just want to show you the stereo that I got. And I know y'all seen it whenever I was in Best Buy. Sony XAV AX1000. And I will show y'all how it looks right now. And it's pretty good. I mean, like I said, it has Apple CarPlay, which is something that a lot of people like. It has a lot of features. This is really high quality stereo. So if y'all want to buy it, go to Best Buy and I'm sure they have it. So far the stereo's been doing great. Like, I like it. Apple CarPlay is like, it's a must, bro. Like, you need Apple CarPlay. So let me show you real quick how it looks right now. So let's go inside and let me show y'all. It looks amazing. It looks stock. And that's something that I wanted, for it to look OEM. Compared to the Metro, this one is a lot better and I recommend this one 100%. Whenever I bought this one, it didn't come with the vents, so I painted them. It's a matte black, so I'm pretty sure I could get like any matte black and it's gonna look OEM to like any color. Like, you can't even tell this one's painted. So yeah, this was kind of pricey. The stereo was $300. This one's I paid $250, but y'all gotta remember that one was a steal, so normally they're like around $300, $400. So yeah, just keep that in mind. If y'all don't want to spend that much money, you can get a Metro. I don't recommend it, but you know, it's whatever. Just depends on the budget that you have. So another thing that I wanted to talk about is that I reached 3,000 subscribers, and I really want to appreciate every single one of y'all guys that's been watching my videos, liking my videos. Don't forget to go like this video as well. But I really appreciate every single support that y'all do for me, like the DMs, everything. I really appreciate it. So congrats to 3,000 subscribers. Like, dang, I never expected it to happen. But yeah, that's crazy. 3,000 is it's a milestone. Like, it's pretty good. I'm very excited for it. I can just remember the day that I reached 100, which was, it was crazy. But now we're on the road for 5,000, and for 5,000 I have a giveaway that I'm gonna do, something that y'all gonna really like and something that I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all want. But yeah, y'all just gotta wait for it because I'm not gonna post it on this video. Anyways guys, don't forget to go like, subscribe, and thank you for watching one more time guys. Thank you. So one more thing guys, one more thing I forgot literally to tell you this one thing. If anybody has a Nismo bumper and wants to buy my carbon fiber inserts, which I have them right here. This one's for the Nismo bumper, so if anybody wants to buy them, I will be selling them. Y'all could DM me my Instagram at Caesar.vq. And I know they're pretty hard to find. These are actually really rare, so remember, you're going to be buying something really good and something that's like rare. So if anybody wants to buy them, just DM me on my Instagram and I'll be more than happy to help you.